Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send Bitcoin on your Cash App. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the investing tile in the bottom right corner of your screen. So right on this page, you have to make sure that you've already selected Bitcoin right on top, and after that you have to tap on the arrow icon located right in center, and once you do that, there's a drop down menu. So from there you have to tap on enable sending and receiving, which is right at the bottom. So before sending cryptos on a Cash App account, first of all you have to verify your identities. So for that you may either use your driving license or your state ID. So once you do that, now you have to allow the Cash App to take pictures and record videos, so then tap on allow. So once you do that, now you have to scan the front and the back of your ID, and you also have to take a picture in order to recognize the picture on your ID. So once you're done verifying your identity, once again you'll be directed to the investing page, and on this page once again tap on the arrow icon. So from the drop down menu, tap on send Bitcoin. Next in the page you have to type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. So once you're done entering it, tap on send. So after that you can either enter name, SMS or wallet address of the recipient, and once you're done entering it, tap on next in the top right, and after that once again there's a confirmation, so you have to double check all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and then you have successfully sent Bitcoin on your Cash App account. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.